Hello everyone, and I welcome all of you to Online Study for You, a complete placement solution. This is Pratik Srivastava, your founder of Online Study for You. And today we have some amazing hiring from companies like Infosys, Cognizant. Cognizant, we have multiple hiring from Superset and from their website for the trainee role. And then we have some hiring from the companies like Moglix, right? So we have very good hirings. Company eligibility, if we will talk, I mean the eligibility year. So basically 2025 and 2026, they have basically more opportunities, and 2027 are eligible only for Infosys SP and DSE role, and that exams are happening on campus. Friends, my request to you is please do like the video. Your one like definitely motivates us a lot to make the genuine content, and also don't uh, you know comment anything without watching the video, because when you watch the video you get the complete clarity one by one. So let us first see this Infosys hiring. So Infosys is hiring for DSE and SP role for 2024, 2025 or 2026 batch. Friends, let me tell you very clear. For 2027 batch, the hiring is happening only through the on campus. That means you need to ask your college to provide you the link 2027 batch, right? Okay. Also, in this video I will show you the blueprint how you will be able to prepare in some limited time. Okay, that is the one thing. Now if we'll talk about 2024, 2025 or 2026 batch, so friends, if you'll see the link, this link is still from the April 2020. Right now we are in July. Now what has happened, so many times this link was active, inactive, active, inactive, and these were the things which was happening. Okay, so now again this link is active. So if you have not got any response, or if you have already written the exam, okay, but did not get any response, if you want you can apply again, because this hiring is currently on hold. Okay, so this doesn't have any meaning, because I am seeing like across the internet or many of them are making the videos also. But please look here, April 2026, so this will give you the idea. Okay, now for 2026 batch, little bit I just wanted to explain, friends. So already we have explained this. So target role SP and DSE role, data sector plus problem solving plus logical thinking, on campus placement. So strategic 25 days playbook for on campus hiring. Okay, so here tier 4 tier 4 DSE, and then 10 LPA, then 16 LPA, and 21 LPA. Round 1, the coding curriculum, single coding round, exactly 4 questions, attempt only 3, pattern based, logic heavy, beyond basic syntax, BE, Btech, ME, MTech, MSc and MCA. The final validation, okay, so HR round will be there. For on campus you will be having only one written round. Phase 1 foundation, core, state management, advanced, mixed. Okay, so graph, DP and multi pattern problem solving. The objective, so arrays basics, prefix sum, 2 pointers, and day 4 sliding windows, right? Having greedy, binary search, okay, binary search advanced, recursion, backtracking, strings, linked list advanced, stack, queues and DQ, trees traversal, BST heap, okay, graphs advanced, okay, DP basics, DP advanced, okay, advanced problem solving, revision plus hard problems, and along with that you will be also getting the daily DPP, like daily practice problems. Okay, so this is the complete pattern mastery, complete readiness, complexity control, and this is how you are going to crack this exam. It's not easy to crack, and friends, everyone knows like it's not very easy, and that is the reason we launched Infosys SP and DSE crash course just for 523 rupees. You will not believe, right? And this 500 rupees, no, DSA white book part 1 and part 2 is there. This is more than sufficient. Okay, so this DSA white book part 1 and part 2, so that 500 rupees, no, we charge for this only, and here this is completely free. So this DSA white book is completely free. The complete schedule is there. So this was a live class. Now you will be getting the recording. So live classes, recording new batches, right? So DSA using Python, DSA using C++, DSA using Java, and all the live class for 34 videos, means almost 45 hours of the classes just in 500 rupees. Trust me, you will not get anywhere else with all this particular plan. Okay, next is, friends, Superset hiring. So Cognizant freshers hiring for digital workplace practice service desk. So this is basically technical support job only from Cognizant. 15th of July is the last date to apply. So we are already today 10th of July. You have another 5 days. Okay, so okay, resume. So resume already you know, right? So we have this resume website for all of you. So you can go to ATS based resume, and based on the companies, right? So whichever companies you know, so you can just get this resume done. So this is AI powered, AI writes for you. Okay, Infosys, TCS ready. So all the companies, very good ATS score. So there is some examples also. So these are the kind of templates what you will be getting. Okay, so you can choose among them. Okay, now so friends, here if you'll see who are eligible, bhai ye to bata do eligible kaun hai. So 2025 and 2026 batch, BCA, BSC, BA, BBA, BVOC, BMS. So these are the eligible candidates. 50% only is required from 2025 and 2026 batch. So please go ahead and apply. Then we have Cognizant training. So this is published yesterday only, 9th of July 2026, Bangalore, India. Technology engineering. Work from office is there, not work from home, right? Okay. So again, if you come down here, so let me. Okay, so now if you come down here, so these are the details will be given. Okay, so demonstrate practical skills too of MS Excel, including use of basic formulas, tabular layouts, and formatting methods to organize and present data in a clear and readable manner. Apply core MS Office skills to create business-ready documents, slide decks, and email communication that reflects a higher standard. So basically, they wanted this MS Excel knowledge, right? MS Office. So complete this Microsoft Office shoot, and then you should have a very good written and spoken English communication skill, and so willingness to learn internal communication practices, corporate etiquette, display detailed oriented working style with the ability to follow instructions accurately, check own work for the errors, and manage simple tasks independently under guidance. Okay, so please go ahead and apply. Who can apply? So by looks like for this, by seeing this job a description, so any graduate basically can apply, and 2025 and 2026 batch apply. 2027 batch, please do not apply. So we will wait for these things, right, for other good opportunity, and then we will apply. And then we have from other company Moglix, we are hiring software engineer freshers for our technology team at our office in the Noida. Just fill out the application form below. No need to send your resume separately. We will reach out to shortlist candidate. Apply now, link in the first comment. Chalo bhai. So let us go to the first comment, click on the apply now. As soon as you click on apply now, then this particular page will open. 2025 and 2026 batch can apply. Btech, BE, so only BE, Btech can apply. Computer science or MCA can also apply. 2025 to 26 written assessment, Java, Spring Boot, DSA, technical interview, machine coding round. Okay, so strong understanding of core Java, basic knowledge of Spring Boot and REST API, good understanding of SQL, familiarity with DSA, understanding of software development lifecycle, self-motivated and eager to build a career in software development, knowledge of Git and version control is a plus. Okay, so when you submit this form, it will not automatically collect your details like name and address until you provide it by yourself. So please fill out all those things and then submit it. And after that, after submitting, what we have to do, so we need to wait for the companies to revert back, which kabhi kabhi hota hai. Okay, so thank you, take care, all the very very best. We will meet soon in the next video. Till then, please take care of yourself. Bye bye.